Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video I want to show you how to delete stories on TikTok. So guys, if you have a story uploaded on TikTok accidentally and you want to delete it, then this video is for you. First of all, you have to open your TikTok app and then head to your TikTok profile, just like I've done right here. So there are two ways to actually do that. So once you have a story uploaded on TikTok, you can just click on your profile picture, and then you find the story, and then click on these three lines at the top right, at the right hand side of your screen, and then you have the option to delete story right here. Now the second way is that you just have to go back to your TikTok profile, and if you go back to your TikTok profile, click on this private option, and then you find your uploaded story right here, so you can click on it. And if you click on it, all right, I think there's actually no way to do that from here. All right, there's actually no way to do that from here. So if you want to delete your TikTok story, just click on your profile and then click on three little dots, and then you find the delete option right here. So guys, this is how to do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and it will subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.